35 green. Let's see. 1. Let's check in here first. I thought this was green because a little bit of the green is showing. 2. Oh, that's blue. 3. Is teal green or blue? I won't count it unless I have to. If I don't have enough, I'll come back for it. That's enough for in there. Green dinosaur. This dinosaur has a lot of green on it too, but it's not all green. I think I have a frog in here somewhere. Oh yeah, green frog. That's all the green I have in there. Pineapple. I don't think I have any more food. Also, we're at 6. I forgot to keep count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't know why I have so many of these, but that's all the green I have in here. 12, 13, ew. 14 and 15, 16. I almost forgot to count my own slimes. 17 and 18. These are both available in my shop, by the way. Super good. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Let's put all these down here. And some mochis to make it 35. Let's just do a handful though. So that's 35. Looks like I win, but thanks for playing.